Okay, now that it's all buttoned back up, just give it one final test. Okay. We'll be working on the one below it shortly. It's doing the same thing. PC clone. A drive, then B drive. Auto load from the hard drive. There it is. Love that sound. And there it is. Okay. Enter current date. And time. There we are. Okay. Let's see if we can run something. Directory star.exe. Help if I did that right. Xex. Let's see here. Directory star.exe. Give me all the executables. Do that hard drive flashing. I love that. I don't know what any of this stuff is. Let's try PB. Oh, cool. Picture book. Load picture from disk. Put from scanner. Oh, this is pretty neat. Let's load. Here, pictures to load. ANDES. Oh, wow. How cool is that? On a 1986 IBM 5160 XT. Thank you for watching, guys.